We all agree that document compliance is no longer a manual task. It's becoming an autonomous capability. See, in every business, every document that you touch, every document tells a story. For example, you have contracts, invoices, policies, but what we never really consider are the risks, like missing fields, vague terms, and like silent compliance gaps. Though we have evolved with the technologies that we've used, our current technologies, I would say, they just store documents. They rarely think. That's why I built DocuGent. So DocuGent is a document passing agent, which doesn't wait for instructions. It reads documents, understands the intent, and actually actively decides what needs to be checked. So we can have an invoice somewhere or a business contract somewhere. What you have to do is just give the AI the information or the document, and then it's going to scan and see whether or not you have the compliance met. Now let's do a quick demo. Let's upload a document, this invoice. So what has happened is within a few seconds, my document or DocuGent AI agent has already read the document. It already has now the report on it. It has already done a compliance check, and it has even flagged some issues for me. It's actually based on large language models, the reasoning, the verification, and judgment. Now, thanks to this, teams can stop reacting from problems like this and actually start preventing them. Now, for example, let me ask DocuGent this simple question. Let me ask it, what should I ask it? Yeah, give me a report. Give me a report about my invoice. What should I check on? Cool, and let's see. Within no time, it tells me what I need to hear. It tells me, okay, there are two inconsistent items. There are missing expiration dates, unclear payment terms, and itemized shipping rates, missing customer information. And then DocuGent has already given me recommendations. It has told me, please clarify and provide the correct total amount for the item, specify the shipping carrier method and any associated fees, a clear expiration date for payment. Then you update the payment terms, yes. And then there's this checklist that is given me, the customer information, the invoice date, the ship mode, the VAT, the currency, the dispute resolution, and current exchange rates. Okay, let's try another document and see another invoice. Good, now let's ask it, please give me compliance report and key information on the above document. It has already provided me the key compliance information. For example, it says the product does not meet Mexican regulatory requirements in the US also. And they have given me recommendation, review and update the product description, specify the discounts and apply it correctly, specify the shipping carrier and method used. Now, this agent has been built with the help of large language models, more specifically the Llama model from Grok, and I've also used Report Lab. So what Report Lab does is, for example, in this, Report Lab returns the report structured or analyzed in a way that we humans can read it. The reasoning behind this is using retrieval augmented generation to back the LLM and create like a database so that the LLM goes back to the database that is created on the information we extracted from the invoice. So yeah, and it also has memory. The 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 DocuGent has a memory. For example, let's ask it, let's go back to our first invoice. And it also gives us the compliance score based on the Aaron Bergman invoice that I gave it the first time. So here is my idea. When compliance is built into the document workflow for even our businesses, teams move quicker. The risks drop and decisions are made with confidence. This is what modern compliance should be about. Not just checking boxes, but about understanding what a document is saying, what's missing, and what could go wrong instantly. So thank you. That's all I've had.